Full letter. Robert Mugabe's resignation notice. President Robert Mugabe's resignation letter was read out by Zimbabwe Parliamentary Speaker Jacob Mudenda to lawmakers gathered at a conference center in Harare to discuss an impeachment motion on Tuesday. State House, Harare, Zimbabwe, November 21, 2017. The Honorable Jacob Mudenda. Notice of resignation as President of the Republic of Zimbabwe in terms of the provisions of Section 96(1) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Amendment Number 20, 2013. Following my verbal communication with the Speaker of the National Assembly, Advocate Jacob Mudenda at 13:53 hours, 21st of November, 2017 intimating my intention to resign as President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, I Robert Gabriel Mugabe in terms of Section 96(1) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe hereby formally tender my resignation as the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe with immediate effect. My decision to resign is voluntary on my part and arises from my concern for the welfare of the people of Zimbabwe and my desire to ensure a smooth, peaceful and non-violent transfer of power that underpins national security, peace and stability. Kindly give public notice of my resignation as soon as possible as required by Section 96(1) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. Yours faithfully, Robert Gabriel Mugabe, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe.